Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koni maino masani piny owacho keto mana ni oganda duto ma jo Kenya yudo kipande en ratichgi ma ok ni temo lombgi. Ruto ne loso Mombasa nyasi mar Iftar mane okelo kanyakla jotelo mopogore mawuok e dini ma Jo-Islam masani ochomo kuma gidhi tieko nyasi mar tweyo mar Ramadhan. Joja oko ni kod ler mathoth kowuok Mombasa.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ne obago nyasi makende mar Iftar mane okelo kanyakla jotelo mopogore moting'o gai mar duond buch ODM Migosi Oburu Oginga. E nyasino mane obagie kar jot mar jatend piny Mombasa, Ruto ne oramo ni en ratiro mar oganda jo Kenya duto yudo kipande, wach mane osir gi jotelo mopogore mane oyuoro.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Mombasa tulifanya mpango. Kwa muda wa mwezi mmoja watu 9,000 waliweza kupata vitambulisho, watu ambao kwamba kikawaida kwa mtizamo wa wale wengine ambao kwamba ni wa kabila vile vitambulisho wangelikuwa hawajapata.
And I still want to repeat, and I will continue repeating, that we must develop the Muslim areas, and we must give the Muslims the freedoms, the type you have given them opportunity to have access to identity as Kenyans.
And even as we make it possible for every citizen to access an identity card and also a passport, it is not a favor that we are doing to anybody in Kenya. It is a right.
Ne bende olero ni en ratiro mar jotelo duto e pacho ka yudo lemo ai sirkal ka achiel kod chenro mag dongruok mokoni tende kete maino.
Kama Waislamu, whatever we are doing, the positions you have today in government, the rights you have today, they are not favors, they are rights, because you are entitled to them as all the other citizens of Kenya are entitled to them.
Agenda ni moja, kuhakikisha kwamba kura ya Pwani inatoka 2,000,000, tunaisukuma kwa nguvu ya Mwenyezi Mungu tuifikishe kura 3.5 tunapopiga kura mwaka ujao.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wale wachache wa kabila, wabaguzi hawana nafasi katika Kenya ya leo, na ndio maana tunakuunga mkono, Your Excellency,
so that our dignity has been restored, and we will say it na mwisho tuko na wewe.
Ogai mar duond buch ODM Oburu Oginga ka achiel kod jotelo mamoko mane oyuore nyasino ne osingo mar tiyo kanyakla gi Ruto kendo siro lek mare mar komten piny Kenya e yiero mabiro.
After losing my brother who was the party leader of ODM, he used to come to you for Iftar. Now I have replaced him. I don't know whether I fit the shoes, but I have made my own shoes.
Na kwa sababu wewe ndio kiongozi wa broad based government, mimi nataka nikuhakikishie kwa niaba ya viongozi wenzangu kwamba pale kura ambayo ilikuwa inaenda kwa Raila hapa Pwani, ile kura sasa itaenda kwa William Ruto.
Tukimaliza sherehe ya sikukuu, tunaanza msafara wa pili kuweza kuhakikisha kila mmoja ameweza kuchukua kitambulisho chake, hata yule nyanya ambaye kwamba amedhulumiwa miaka yote awe na kitambulisho chake.
Tuna haki zote na tuna nguvu zote za kuhakikisha umeweza kuendelea kuwa rais wa Kenya.
Tukigawanyana tunakuwa wadhaifu, lakini tukisimama pamoja tutakuwa na nguvu na tutaendelea na tutafikisha Kenya mahali kila mmoja wetu atajivunia kwa Mkenya.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Na Ramogi wadhi nyime kama rawere mag duond bura